Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add a link to your Roblox profile. So if you want to add a link to your Roblox profile, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to copy a link. So to copy a link, you can copy any link that you like. You can copy your TikTok's link, you can copy your Twitter's, or you can copy your Facebook link. You can copy any link you like. So I'm choosing my Twitter's link. So to copy the link, what you have to do is just open your Twitter account and then tap on the profile icon which is on the top. And after tapping on your profile, just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, and then tap on share. After tapping on share, here you can copy your Twitter profile link. So now you just have to tap on copy, and you have copied successfully. Now what you have to do is just open up your Roblox application, and after opening your Roblox application, just tap on the three dotted icons which is on the bottom right of your screen. And after tapping on the three dotted icons, scroll down and then tap on settings. And after tapping on settings, now you have to tap on account info. So after tapping on account info, scroll all the way down, and now here you can add links of the following social networks that you would like. So I have copied my Twitter link, so just tap on Twitter and then paste that link which you have copied. And now here you can find save option in the bottom right corner of your screen, and after tapping on save, you will successfully add a link to your Roblox profile. So this is how to add a link to your Roblox profile. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.